In this video, I'll be showing you how you can customize your whole Rasa widget just like this. Adding a full screen section like this, toggle it, so give it like this. Add your own avatar right here for chatbot and change the image of this particular launcher and also for the closing. So let's get started. So I saw many of you are struggling in customizing your Rasa widget, and I thought let's clone the whole repository of Rasa-webchat and check what is possible for a basic HTML and CSS section. So I thought that let's have a look at index.js and index for React app.js. Had a look at it, and it's pretty simple what it's telling, but we don't have use here of this. So in index.js, you can see many of the similar stuff that you have already done, like socket URL, title, subtitle, and custom data. So right now, we'll have a look at it. Index, payload, yeah, heard of it. My previous videos too. If you haven't, there's this annotation right on your right hand side. And then title, subtitle, protocol, socket URL, socket path, this all things and custom data. So now what we will be looking at is profile avatar, show close button, show full screen button, then full screen mode, and then there will be custom delay, open launcher image, screen mode. So basically we'll be looking at many of the important stuffs right now. So let's start with profile avatar. So I'll copy this and it here, and I already have image SVG inside my assets and robot SVG. So I'll change this to like this, and then if you want to add a relative path and it should work on each and every machine, you can keep it like this, assets slash SVG. Oh, my cursor will be there, and assets slash SVG slash robot dot SVG, just like this. Now I don't need to start a Rasa server since I've already deployed my chatbot on a cloud server, and you can have a look at it on my GitHub website. So the link is in description. You can have a look at it. Tell me in the comment section how you like it or not. And also give this video a like and make sure to subscribe for this interesting videos and more crazy stuff which are coming up next. So let's move on and check how it is looking. Refresh. It is. See, the profile avatar appears here. Since it's white, so here you won't be able to see it. Now what I'll do is I'll change the color a bit different, uh, just like this one. Copy it and paste. If you want this particular SVG, I'll send a add a link in description so you can download it for free. Refresh it and it's very blurry. It's very, you say, it can't see it at all. Let's try a sky blue color. How to find a sky blue color? Paste it inside robot SVG right here. Save it and refresh it. See, you're able to see the bot image. So right here you can see the profile avatar is there. Now we'll change the widget icon. Let me grab a widget icon also from unicorns. We'll go inside Rasa-webchat and where it is? Open launcher image. Copy, go inside index.html, comma, there, same thing. Dot slash sets slash svg slash comment dot save it. Let's refresh this. Close. See, yeah, it is. So we have to change the color a bit white. See, isn't this looking cool? You don't have to go inside inspect and change it like this. I thought this would be the scene, but yeah, this isn't. So basically, it is going to replace it since they have added this compatibility here, right? This way. And then there is close image. So now we'll have a look at it and paste it right here. We are going to customize each and everything that we have in here. So let's go to unicorns again. Uh, close. Which one I should? Let's say we are going to change the whole meaning of the close but image. Okay, so I'll use hamburger. Save it. We are going to change the whole meaning of the close button. Copy this. I won't do much work here. Bars and then refresh it. See, it has been changed. So it's a bit weird to add the close button like this and keep it FFF. Just like, it didn't change. How? Oh, this is this robot. Sorry. Let's add it here. Save it. And here it is. Looks good. Instead of this, let's add hold on. So I'll be using down arrow. This one. Actually change it to down. We have to delete that one since we did. Windows is pretty slow, honestly. Delete and save this. Ah, no. Let's change the name down as now. Going inside the next.html, changing it to down. This looks good. See, and changing it to this looks good. So we have changed three things right now: the profile avatar, the closing button, and the opening launcher image. Now let's move ahead to full screen button, show full screen button, and then we'll go to full screen mode. Now, uh, show full screen button, comma, this, and then this is boolean, so show full screen. Now, see, this will make it full screen. Simple as that. Now, if you want it to be full screen, since I checked full screen mode doesn't help it. So I checked embedded. So what is embedded? It embeds it into your website just like this. So you have it in full screen mode on your website, and if you want to show it as a project to your teacher or to your client, you can show them directly here. So it looks cool, right? And here you have probably seen that there is no title, subtitle, or anything. This looks cool, but right now I don't need it. I'll remove it. Now we'll have a look at show message date. So what this will do is it will show us the message date, and this is a boolean and also a function. So you can always create your own function as per your requirement. So right now I won't be creating a function since I'm not a JavaScript dev. You can always check that out. So here it is. You can, since the about the customization that I said to create a function, so because of this, so if you want a date to be like 1st July 2021, not in the numerical form, then you can customize it in your ways. So currently this is today's message that I sent, that's why it shows it like this. The final two which I'll be showing you guys is input textual hint. So copy this, paste it here, and then I'll type it as what's in your. See, it did updated. This way you can create your own input text field hint, and then we'll have a look at the custom message delay. So we'll copy this, paste it here, and now we'll set a delay which should be a function, right? So copy this particular section since I'm not a fan of JavaScript, and paste it here and delay. So now for the message length into 10, and then the delay will be there. I just customized a bit to know what it meant. Now see, it got a bit fast. If you want more delay, then keep it as 40. I'd say don't go too much high, too much low, because it will mess up the user experience that you want it to be. And now we'll have a look at customizing the whole color sections in a widget. So now I'll uncomment this and explain each one by one. So this is conversation container, which is this particular section. This is header, header means this, and the color is this. So I'll change this color to a bit red city like. So I'll be using HLS hue saturation light, which looks like this. Here 250 to 90 actually, then 69 and 61. Let's see how it looks like. Alright. So the difference is this. So I'll be using HLS, which the full form is hue saturation light. So hue will be 250, saturation will be 69, and 61 will be light. Now let's have a look at it. See, looks cool. And then I'll copy this and paste it right here. So basically it should look alike. And now the container, and there is message container. So inside the message container, this particular section, I'm talking about the message sent by the client. Client are the users which send the message. So In the client section, we have to change the color of this particular. Now it has been changed. Same goes for the widget launcher. There, it's simple RW launcher, which is Rasa widget launcher. Change it, save it, and update it. It has been changed directly. Now, the main thing is the reply section. So, the reply section is this particular part where the bot replies, and if it has buttons, then um, it should look good. So, I'll be showing you by starting my own Rasa server here, which has buttons. Now I'll paste it first here, and border is needed because if you remove this, it looks a bit, the buttons look a bit small. So I'd recommend you to use border at least 1 pixel that the buttons look good. Now let me start my own server. First of all, let me check if I have some. Okay, I don't have it. So buttons have been added. Let me start a Rasa server 2. Rasa train. Also, let me check if I have carousels. Okay, I have. Let it get train, and till then, it's a coffee break. So you would be wondering, how did it got trained? Even I made a mistake here. So it did throw me an error. So I fixed it and added it. Now I'll start my Rasa server. And the Rasa actions. Actions is up. And till then, let me change the URL. Right. Facing and right away, let's check how it looks like. Say hi. It didn't show me anything. Refresh it. Hi. See, it is showing us the whole carousel, and it's a bit slow because it is on my local machine. So that's why I always have to check if it's running or not. This is the main thing right now. And you can check this out that if I remove the border, let me show it you in the inspect section. Let's check it like, okay. So border has been removed, and see how it looks like. Instead of this, I'll change it to 0. So it looks a bit weird, like it's a pretty small, and if I add a border, there's always a padding and some space in between buttons. So this is why border is needed in here. It's your choice to remove it or to keep it. So I would suggest you to keep it. This was it, showing you how you can customize your Rasa widget.